Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love. Thank you. So, this is your general love reading for the month of June 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here, Aquarius. And one more thing, this is a general love reading, so take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so because this is the general love reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start your reading. And before starting your reading, I want to say that when I was meditating, when I was doing the pre-shuffling of the cards before doing the recording, I was getting the energy of Three of Wands and the Sun. Okay, for the June. Okay, this is the reading for the June. So you are waiting for your ships to come here, Aquarius. You are waiting for your ships to come, and the ships are coming for you. Okay, Three of Wands energy is here, and the ships are coming for you. Okay, this is beautiful, the Sun. This is the new happy beginnings which are coming for you in the month of June. Okay, okay, so Three of Wands and the Sun energy was there. So that was the message which I was getting for you in the meditation. Okay, so you are waiting for your ships to come, and the ships are coming. Okay, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck, the Sun. So Sun is coming for you. New happy beginnings are coming for you in the month of June in love. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the more messages for you. Let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius June 2021, which are important to deliver. Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Please help me out for that. Okay, let's see. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius love June 2021. What are the messages? Okay, so first card for you is Nine of Cup. This is King of Pentacles. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius June 2021? Five of Swords. What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages? Empress. Empress. See, Three of Wands. I told you, you are waiting for your ships to come, and they are coming, Aquarius. They are coming. See, Ace of Swords. So the message which I am getting here, that someone in your life left you out in cold. Bottom of the deck I'm having Five of Pentacles. Okay, someone left you out in cold. There were a lot of conflicts with this person. Okay, but this person was the wish fulfillment for you, or you are the wish fulfillment for them. Okay, this is someone who is financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage finances. Maybe they have some ego issues, that can be a possibilities. Okay, or controlling issues. King of Pentacles, someone who is very stubborn, that can be a possibility. Not in all cases, but this can be a possibility. Okay, and with this person there is a lot of conflicts. Okay, with you there were a lot of conflicts with this person, and now can you see, they see you as an empress. You are in your full power, you are in your higher self. Can you see how this King of Pentacles is looking towards the empress? They know your word, they know that you are the empress. You are someone with who has to handle with care. That's the line I'm getting. Okay, they know that you are someone who has to handle with care. You are waiting for your ships to come, and you are going to receive the clarity which you are waiting for. Maybe you are waiting for the clarity from this person, that why they ghosted you, why they left out you in cold in the past. Okay, why they left out you in cold, that's the clarity you want. Maybe that can be a possibility, but some kind of clarity, some kind of truth is coming towards you here. The Ace of Swords is here, so some kind of truth is coming for you. This is beautiful. Please help me out to deliver the messages. Any other message for Aquarius, June? Two of Pentacles. So there was no balance in a situation here. You were juggling with the balance in this relationship, but now there will be the balance here, the Six of Pentacles. Let me see more. Any other message for Aquarius? Any other message? Hermit wants to come out. Okay, so someone is doing the soul searching here. Either you are doing the soul searching or they are doing the soul searching, but I'm getting you are doing the soul searching. 10 of Swords and the World card here. So you're closing out a cycle here, Aquarius. You're closing out a cycle. You're doing your soul searching. You're not ready to open up with this person. You're holding back from this person. 4 of Pentacles. And here I'm having Page of Cup. So 0444, 0444, Page of Cup. So someone is coming towards you with an apology, saying sorry, Aquarius. Okay, because they are not happy at all. Okay, they are not happy without you. 5 of Cups. Okay, so big positive changes are coming towards you in the month of June. 555 I can see that. 5 of Swords, 5 of Cups, 5 of Wands. I saw that too. So yes, they are not happy without you. They're feeling very sad, remorse, guilt. Okay, so yes, they are not happy at all. That's why they're coming towards you. Maybe they were having a lot of options to choose. Because of that lot of options to choose, they were having confusion. That can be a possibility, but they are not happy at all. See, I told you, baby, this person was having confusion. This person was not having clarity with the Moon card. But this is your love. The Lovers is here. So this is someone with whom you have a soul connection with. The Lovers is here. Okay, there was no balance. You were juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation. You went through with a lot of pain, backstabbing with the 10 of Swords, but now you're closing out a cycle. You are not ready to open up with this person. You are not giving the energy. They are not happy at all. Okay, without you. Without you, they are not happy. They're feeling very sad, remorse, guilt. They know that they have treated you wrong. And why they did that? Because they don't have the clarity with the Moon card. They were having a lot of confusion. Okay. Any other message? See, I told you this is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with. Here I'm having Page of Wands and the Emperor. So maybe they have initiated. The bottom of the deck I'm having the Judgment and the Chariot. So they are making a judgment to move in a forward direction. Okay, or the divine is making a judgment, or you are making a judgment, but someone is making a judgment to move in a forward direction here with the Chariot. Okay, so now let me adjust my cards. They are coming towards you holding a wand in the hand. They are right now at the page level. Can you see? This is Page of Cup, Page of Wands. So they will start with a small message. Okay, maybe their small initiative. I can say that with the page. Okay, maybe they will ask you, hi Aquarius, how are you? Or something like that. But the passion is igniting here. The new thing is going to happen here in the person's life. This is your divine counterpart. This is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with. Here the Emperor and the Empress both are here. But can you see? Beautiful reading, I can say that. Okay, let me add some oracle cards. They are not happy without you, Aquarius. They are not happy at all. See the World card again. So you're closing out a cycle, you're completing a karmic cycle, okay? You're ending a karmic cycle, because here I'm having the 10 of swords, okay? So you're doing the ending, the closing out of a cycle, and you're starting a new cycle, new beginning, new things are opening up for you. You're closing out a cycle. The World card is here again. So you're closing out a cycle. Let me see more. What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading? Please give me the message. See, again the Judgment is here. Bottom of the deck I'm having the Sun and the Emperor. So you are going to start new happy beginnings, okay, with your Emperor. This is beautiful. Can you see? Bottom of the deck I'm having the Judgment. So they want to start a new happy beginning with you. They want to start a new happy with you. New happy beginnings with you. That's the message I'm getting here. I told you the Sun energy, the Three of Wands energy was there. So let's see more. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Okay. Wow. Death and the Empress. I don't think that. See, the Strength and the Chariot, they're gaining the strength to approach you, Aquarius. They want to move in a forward direction with you. Can you see? The Chariot and the Chariot. So they want to move in a forward direction, and they will move in a forward direction with you. Okay, now they know what is right and what is wrong. They will move in a forward direction, and for moving in a forward direction, they require strength. They require confidence, and they're gaining that. 1001 was the recording reading time. They're gaining that. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. Okay, whatever was happening in your life, that is going to end. Death and rebirth is here. The transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. So whatever situation was there, whatever conflicts, whatever confusion, whatever unbalance, whatever was there, the old cycles, okay, that is going to end. Okay, the Death card is here. So you are going to end that here in your life. The death and rebirth is taking place. And can you see? The Emperor and the Empress both are here again. So you are definitely dealing with someone with whom you are meant to be, with whom you are destined to be. This is a soul connection. This can be your soulmate. This can be your twin flame. That can be a possibility. Okay, but this is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with. Okay, the Emperor and the Empress both are here. From both of my deck, I'm having this Emperor and the Empress. Can you see? So this is your soul connection, I can say that. Okay, either this person is your soulmate or this person is your twin flame. But this is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with. This is someone with whom you are destined to be with. So this is beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards, Aquarius. Okay, now let's see more messages. They are not happy without you, and they were having a lot of confusion, Aquarius. Okay, they were not having any clarity. Because of that, they did that. Whatever they did, they treated you wrong. They did that. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from Whispers of Loves. This wants to come out. See, the Union of Hearts. I'm going to take it. I just pick up my deck and this falls out. The Union of Hearts. A love connection defines explanation. Can you see? You both belong to each other. The Union of Hearts is going to come. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius for this reading? Please give me the message for Aquarius. True love. This is your true love. Okay, this is beautiful. What is the message for Aquarius for the month of June? Please give me the message which I need to deliver. What is the message? What is the message which I need to deliver? What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message? What is the message for Aquarius? Miracles and blessings, everything has its gift. Okay, so lot of miracles, lot of blessings are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of June. The only thing that is real is love. Okay, shift your focus back to love. This wants to come out again. Right now you have to keep your patience. Okay, have patience, keep patience. Love is patient and kind always. Okay, so this is miracles and blessings, everything has its gift. Beautiful message here. Then there is the only thing that is real is love. Okay, shift your focus back to love. You need to focus that everything in this world, the love is the only thing which is real. Okay, so shift your focus to love, Aquarius. Right now you have to keep patience. Love is patient and kind, so keep your patience with you. 1414 was the recording reading time. There is I love you. Choose these powerful words. These are the powerful words. Okay, so this is beautiful message which I'm getting. Maybe they say you I love you, or you can say them I love you. Okay, that can be a possibility. Love who you are. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things life has to offer. So love whoever you are. Accept yourself as you are, Aquarius. There is heart of the matters. There is more going on than meets the eyes. So you are sleep. Can you see this child is sleeping, and the angels and fairies are creating beautiful things for you. So you are not alone. You even don't know what are the beautiful things which are creating. The universe, the divine is creating for you, Aquarius. So beautiful things are coming for you, and this is very beautiful. The union of hearts. Can you see? 1515 was the recording reading time. Forgiveness is required. The union of hearts is going to happen. This is beautiful. I love it. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. What is the message for Aquarius for the month of June 2021? What is the message? What is the message for Aquarius? Okay, so whatever imbalance, see same messages here. Whatever impartiality, whatever imbalance, whatever confusion was there, okay, that is going to get out from your life, because enlightenment is going to happen. 1616 was the recording reading time. Right now you have to keep your faith. Okay, have faith. Whatever confusion was there from your partner side, okay, from your partner, whatever they were feeling confusion, whatever imbalance was there, okay, whatever impartiality was there, don't worry at all. Okay, things are going to get balance now. Okay, the enlightenment is going to happen in your life. Have faith. Okay, the growth is coming for you. Can you see? The growth is coming for you. You need to keep your faith. Enlightenment is going to happen. Okay, this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Activation Oracle. Let's see what is activations, what activations are happening in the month of June for Aquarius. Please give me one message. What activation is happening? What activation? The root chakra. Your root chakra is getting activated here, Aquarius. The frequency of root chakra, the red flower of life, stimulates passion and supports our sense of security on this physical plane, both in our bodies as well as in the physical world. Okay, so your root chakra is getting activated. Maybe you're doing the meditation or healing, because as you are in the hermit mode, okay, this is beautiful. Your root chakra is getting activated. So this is beautiful. Let's add one message from Yogic Path. I saw Sita and now I saw Shiva. Where is it? This wants to come out. Okay, the Shiva is here. Okay, because you have achieved santosh. Okay, let's see what is the message for Aquarius. What is the message? Okay, let's start again. What is the message? What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message for Aquarius June. What is the message? What is the message for Aquarius? Anjuna, that means your third eye. Your third eye is getting activated here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have to read it out too. So let me read it out from the book. Yes, this is your third eye chakra which is getting activated here. You have been using your sixth sense recently, your intuitive powerhouse, the third eye, and it is guiding you to the right direction. Your third eye sees far beyond your two eyes and the limitations of the mind, which can only dream up what is known. Your intuition speaks up to you and whispers in visions, in feelings. Find the language of your third eye and continue to follow its hunches as you have been. The more you become aware of it, the easier the dialogues become. Your third eye is taking you on the very journey and that your soul was put on this planet to fulfill. You came here to live, love, and learn. As long as you continue viewing the world from your third eye, you will surpass all limitation and find yourself limitless. Trust your intuition and keep moving forward. The path will continue to illuminate as you take steps. So this is beautiful, Aquarius. Your third eye is getting activated here. Your root chakra and your third eye is getting activated. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the secret language of light. What is the message for Aquarius? One message for Aquarius, June 2021. Joy. Bottom of the deck, I'm having divine masculine. Can you see? Lot of joy is coming towards you because you are feeling joy in every moment of your life. Okay, and because of that, your divine masculine is also coming towards you. Okay, that's your soul journey. Can you see? The soul journey. And here I'm having healing. So you are doing your healing and you are following your soul journey. And because you are following your soul journey, you're feeling joy in every moment. And your divine masculine is also feeling that. They are also coming towards you. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the messages from your guides. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of... See, again the judgment is here. Can you see? That's the judgment again. Some kind of judgment is here. Your higher self is making a judgment. Your divine masculine, your divine counterpart is making the judgment. But judgment is happening here. Okay. Okay, so the messages for you is the judgment. For the first message, I already told you the judgment. Then there is pleasure, creativity, and restriction. So you are working on your creativity, Aquarius. And if you are not working, you have to work on your creativity. Work on your creativity, and that's beautiful. And here I'm having pleasure, divine goddess. Let me read it out for you. Abundance, wish fulfillment, contentment. The divine goddess smiles upon you, urging you to step into luscious and beautiful garden and drink from her well of vitality and joy. Relax, have fun, and allow the good times to roll. Life is to be enjoyed now, not endured. Whether it's fun day at beach or rosing sexual romp with your lover, the divine goddess reminds you that there is nothing holy, superior, or righteous in the resisting pleasure or hiding your beauty. She has stepped into your life to remedy the sad fact that you're not taking joy in much of anything of late and have lost touch with your beauty. Life is at risk of becoming too black and white and shades of gray, and you are missing colors. She sweetly advises you not to postpone your rewards until you are in heaven. Instead, she encourages you to enjoy a little heaven on earth. Indulge your soul in some delicious food, good music, close friends, and playful fun. Use her sparkle to inspire you to embellish your environment. Okay, so this is beautiful moment here, Aquarius. This is beautiful message from the divine goddess that enjoy your life. Okay, and there is restriction here, so let me read it out. What is that restriction all about? This is assumption or rigidity. Your joy guides are tapping at your mind's door, hoping to open it and free you from the corner. Any narrow or pre-assumption thinking on your part may be unwriting backing you into. If you fall into trap of running on too many assumptions or operating an unexamined preconceived notions, you quickly eliminate all your options. So don't be on the assumption part. Okay, don't feel restricted, don't go on the assumptions. That's the message I'm getting here. So that was the message. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? So you can be dealing with a Libra, Aquarius, Virgo, Sagittarius, Leo. They can be Cancer, Pisces here. Cancer and Scorpio, sorry, Cancer and Scorpio, that can be a possibility. Cancer and Scorpio can be a possibility. Gemini, Aquarius and Libra, they can be an air sign. Okay, Gemini, Aquarius and Libra, they can be an air sign. They can be Leo, Virgo and Sagittarius. So these can be signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, Leo, Virgo and Sagittarius, and they can be a water sign, Scorpio and Cancer. So this was your reading. I hope I help you out in some manner. In the extended, I'm going to see what are the messages, what are the clarification of these cards. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. So sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.